Hello, Michael Kiambao. Good afternoon. Thank you for your
Like
thumbs up.
distant songs along a frozen beach.
I watch the river carry broken light, and all the dreams we lost into the night.
Shout out.
Somewhere in my heart, a small flame stays, a little hope that finds me in these days. It's the new year afterglow, and I miss you so. Fireworks are gone, but the echoes don't go. In the neon winter light, I'm still
Hello, Christopher. Shout out. Good afternoon, kabayan.
first night of the
Shout out, shout out.
I'm in love with goodbye.
Gandang hapon sa inyong lahat dyan. Yan. Thank you, Christopher. Michael, shout out. Mega love, shout out.
January air and a paper thin glow. Snow on the sidewalks, quiet and slow. The crowd is gone from the hotel door, but your name stays on my lips once more. We kiss like the world could never break. Now I wake with a tender ache. Your perfume hiding in my coat like a secret line you never wrote. If you could see me in this light, you'd know I still can make it right. I chase your shadow down the street and feel my heart skip every beat. Fireworks in the snow, they fall and fade. Love turns to memory in the winter shade. I hear your voice in the radio. Fireworks in the snow, I can't let go. Streetlights tremble on the
Ilang oras lang ba ang live mo? 2 hours lang po ako nagla-live.
returns without a sound. I count the steps to our old cafe where we used to sit and let time stay. Now every song is a silver wound, and every kiss is the missing sound. Fireworks in the snow, they fall and fade. Love turns to memory.
Hello, Shirbalaya. Shirba Ayat. Shirba Alaya. Shout out.
Kapag ako'y nagmahal, isa lamang at wala nang iba pa. Iaalay buong
Ayan, may jacket na ha.
buhay.
Shirba Alaya.
Lumigaya ka
Ayala.
lang, lahat ay gagawin.
Ayala pala to, Ayala. Herbal Ayala.
Sa iba,
Dear Alaya.
magwawalang kibo na lang itong puso ko.
Okay. Herbal Ayala.
Walang sumbat na maririnig.
Kiatay. Anong pagbabasa yan? Oy?
Patak ng luha ko ang iniwang saksi.
Herbal Ayala. Hello. Good afternoon.
Kita, kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko, di mo man ako mahal, ito pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo.
Medyo busy pa kasi May ngayon. Sumilip lang May para makapagtapos
May mahal ka man
at makapag-shout out kayo. Okay po.
sa'yo.
No problem, Sir Christopher. Lunch tayo, host. Gising lang eh. Sige. Enjoy your meal, Sir Michael. Lunch na kayo dyan. Lunch.
Ano man ang sabihin nila, pagtingin ko sa'yo'y di kailanman magmaliw. Buong buhay paglilingkuran kita, di naghahangad ng anumang kapalit. Tumingin ka man sa iba,
Next time, tambay kabayan. Sige lang. No problem po. Salamat sa inyong kamusta.
puso ko, walang sumbat na maririnig. Patak ng luha ko ang iniwang saksi. Bakit nga ba mahal kita, kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko, di mo man ako mahal, ito pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita, kahit na may mahal ka mang iba, ba't baliw na baliw ko sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? So bakit nga ba
Shout out. Thank you. Ang galing. Ikaw ba nakanta, host?
bakit nga
Second voice lang po ako.
kahit di pinapansin
Sir Michael, ako lang po yung second voice dyan.
mahal ng tapat sa'yo? Bakit nga ba mahal kita, kahit na may mahal ka mang iba? Ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis na ba?
Pwede na doon. Pwede na din, host. Ay, ganun ba? Pwede na pagtyagaan. Pwede na pagtyagaan. Shout out sa inyong lahat dyan.
Ang pag-ibig ko'y ikaw lamang, di magbabago kailan pa man. Di mo ba napapansin itong aking damdamin nang kailanman. Buhay ko man sa'yo'y iaalay at di manghihinayang. Ganyan ang aking gagawin, ganyan hanggang iyong malaman. Tunay ang pag-ibig ko, basta't ikaw.
Shut up. Daniel Berry, hello, shut up. Thank you, Daniel Berry, sa iyong puso. Shut up ka sa lahat. Di magbabago kailan pa man. Di mo ba napapansin Kahit pa sa kanya kung kaya't nalimutan mo na. Hindi ba nagyakap at namiss na halik niya? Tinuturo iyong damdamin upang ako iyong lisanin. Di naman nagkulang ang pag-ibig na alay ko. Di ba't halos ang buhay ko ay binigay sa'yo? Ba't naklaw na nakamute pala ako? Iatay. Shout out sa inyong 2 million dyan. Thank you for BGBG. Thank you for your BGBG. I open my eyes only to see just how sad this world could be. Then I open, cry alone. Oh, I look at the skies, longing to see there's a chance out there for me, for my heart to be set free. My friends that say that it's okay, but rainbows fade and clouds so gray. But in my heart I know someday your happiness will come my way. I never knew love till I found you. It's magic in your smile. Never knew love till I saw you. Looking in my eyes, and suddenly our sadness disappeared. Your love was finally shown its smiling eyes on me. I'm searching the skies, hoping to see if there's someone out there for me who will set my poor heart free. My friends that say that it's okay, for rainbows fade, clouds are gray. But in my heart I know someday, I know that you'll come my way. I never knew love till I found you. It's magic in your smile. Never knew love till I saw you. Looking in my eyes, suddenly our Thank you so much, Sir Pilda. Shout out. Hindi ka nawawagli kahit kailan pagmamahal para sa'yo hanggang langit. 11:27 midnight. Oh yeah? Okay, good night, Mr. Pilda. Ang aking mundo. Shout out. Wala ka alam mo. Hitin natin. Vanilla. Thank you guys. Love romantic. It will static. And you didn't even have to try. Feeling so vintage. I must be dream this. Better leave it, and die. But it hurts so good, and I feel I might have panic. But it works like it should. It pretended it isn't cosmic. I don't want it, no. I get deja vu. Is it an illusion? Are you even human? 'Cause you always know what's on my mind. And it hurts so good, and I feel I'm out of panic. But it works like it should. And a friend, and a doubt, cosmic. I don't want it, no. Yeah, it's cosmic. Bum, ba-dum, in your orbit. Bum, ba-dum, yeah, it's cosmic. Oh, and a doubt, and it hurts so good. And I feel I'm under panic. Parang adventure siya na. But it works like it should. To pretend it isn't cosmic. Act like I don't want it, no. Bam, bam. Yeah, it's cosmic. Bam, ba-dum. In your orbit. Bam, ba-dum. Yeah, it's cosmic. Sir Pilda, thank you sa support at kay Barok Adventure. You're the first one to call Mr. Sir Pilda. Why not? You're Sir, right? Or Sir. Like Sir Barok Adventure. I call her Sir Barok. I call him Sir Barok.
First flight has landed.
That you've never heard before. Yo, and you know what? I know you know this song, baby, from way, way back. So if you all know this song, you know what? You better sing along. Alright. Ako'y nasa malate, alas 7 ng gabi, ilalako tuloy itong magandang babae na nakaibigani sa aking mga mata. Ang di ko lang alam ay manloloko lang pala. Humanat sa akin ang bill mo ko niyan, bill mo ko noon. Nagtuturo na siya, hindi pa kami on upang di mahalata. Siya ay nagpayabang, nagmiminis at what daw siya sa alabang. Ako ay umakbay, mahigpit na mahigpit, naglalaway sa palda niyang hapit na hapit. Nang ako'y makalinga, di ko siya matagpuan. Ubus ang aking money, di ko pa nahalikan. When the night has come, oh yeah, at pinatay ang ilaw, oh madalas lumalabas ba ang queen? Alright, second verse. Sa kapi Adriatico ako ay inaya, inom daw kami at siya ang kaya. Kaya't kami dalawa'y uminom ng beer. Pinangat niya ang mug at ang sabi niya sa'kin cheers. Hindi ko alam ay meron siyang inilagay. Ako'y biglang nahilo, nawalan ng aking malay nang ako'y magising. Aking napansin, pangalan ng motel, Anito Inn. Kaya't ang sabi ko, nako, i-split na ako pag nabuko ng girlfriend ko. Mahirap ito, walang wala sa isip ko ang kanyang baywang. Nang nakita ko siya, naka-underwear lang. When the night has come, oh yeah, at pinatay ang ilaw, oh madalas lumalabas ba yung queen? Yeah, oh darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, oh, stand by me. Oh madalas lumalabas ba yung queen? Alright, get ready for the third verse. Pag kami nagtatawanan at nagkwekwentuhan doon sa sofa, kami ay naglalampungan ang dinaw. Para kung nasa Roppongi, pinatay niya ang ilaw at binuksan ang VCD. Doon sa kanyang kama, kami ay nahiga. Ako ay nagulat at ako'y nabigla. Ako'y nanginginig, pawis na pawis. Pinuntok ko, pinasok ko, and boy, walang na please. Ang sabi niya sa'kin, oh under, sige ba, tumagilid, tumihaya, tumuhod at tumapa. Nang matapos na kami, ang sabi niya sa'kin, when the night has gone, oh yeah, at pinatay ang ilaw, oh madalas lumalabas ba yung queen? Through the top, darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, oh, stand by me. Oh madalas lumalabas ba yung queen? Alright, now here we go with the fourth verse. Ang puting kumot, pilit hinahaplot, likod apoy namumula sa kakakalmot pag siya ay umuungol at umuungos. Siya'y init na init sa aking haplos. Pinagbigyan ko siya ng kanyang hiling. Ang gusto niya yung ganito, yung gumikiling, magdamag nagpuyat hanggang mag-umaga. Napansin ko siya kasama na pati na pinsan niya. Banda na hasta, oh yeah. At pinatay ang ilaw, madalas lumalabas panyukwigin. Oh darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, oh, stand by me. Madalas malabas panyukwigin. When the night has come, oh yeah, at pinatay ang ilaw, madalas malabas panyukwigin. Oh darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, oh, stand by me. Oh madalas. Yeah, darling, at pinatay ang ilaw, oh madalas malabas panyukwigin. Oh yeah. When the night has come, stand by me. Mainlove ako sa'yo, kala ko'y pag-ibig mo ay tunay, pero di nagtagal lumabas din ang tunay na kulay. Ang iyong kilay mapagmataas at laging namimintas, pero sarili kong pera ang iyong winawaldas. Parang kang speak, ugali mo'y napakasting. Kung hiyain mo ko talagang nakakastring. Girlie bidi bye-bye, don't tell a lie. Bakit mo ako laging dinideny? All the good I've done, wala man lang recognition. Mahilig kang mga leksyon, binaliwala aking attention. Yo, anyway, everyday iba't ibang guys ang iyong ka-text. And then one time nahuli kita na mayroon kang ka-sex. Mas gugustuhin ko pa na magpag-crucify kesa harap-harapan mo akong stupefy. So don't be mad, so don't be sad. Lahat ng kabulukan mo'y ilalahan. Stupid love, sa pasang ECJ. Love, precious the morning air. Super love, love that is hereafter I have found in you. Buhay ko ay nag-iba simula nang makilala ka. Every hour, every minute nais kang makita. Halos di kumain, makausap lang sa phone. Between you and me, until the break of dawn. No one else come close, pangako sa isa't isa. Ngunit napatunayan mo ba ng balik ang kanya pinagtapat sa akin? Na siya'y mahal pa rin, anong magagawa ko kung di ikaw ay palaya? Halos isumpa sa sakit na naidula, pero bakit ang katulad mo hindi pa rin malima? Nagmahal ako ng iba, ngunit ako'y bigo. Sa pag-ibig ko sa'yo, ako'y bilanggo. Tumingin sa salamin na alala ang nakalipas. Masakit pala maging panagip, butas bago ang lahat ipagtatapat sinta. Mahal kita sincerely, vendetta. Stupid love, so fast and easy there. Love, precious the morning air. Stupid love, love that is shared up to I have found in you. Saan nga ba hahantong ang tagpong ito? Minahal kita pero ako'y ginagumo. It took so long time bago pa makarecover. Sa ginawa mo sa'kin ay meron pa kong hangover. Naalala mo pa ba nung tayo pa kasama ka saan man ako magpunta? Pinagsilbihan kita mula ulo hanggang paa, pati ang brat panty mo. Ako ang naglalaba. Kinukumusti ka kung may nagawang mali na daw. Nuutos mo sa'kin di ko sinuway. Masinusunod na nga kita kesa sa aking nanay. Lahat na lang ng bagay binigay ko sa iyo. Naging sunod-sunuran ako na parang aso. Pag may kausap kang iba ako'y dinidinay. Basta gwapo ang gay, maaga kang bumibigay. Stupido ng puso kong ito. Ano bang dahilan at ako'y ginanito mo? Inaway mo ako at iyong itinabot. Sa ibang boy nakipaglaro ka ng apoy. Ako'y nananagoy, puso ko ay nabiyak. Wasak na wasak ang puso ni Nastima. Inaamin ko noon na minahal na kita, pero ngayon binabawi ko na. Stupid love, so fast and easy chair. Love, precious the morning air. Love, love that is shared until I have found in you. Stupid love, so as an easy chair. Love, precious the morning air. Oh love, love that is shared until I have found in you. Stupid love. Shoutout po sa nandyan at naka-BG. Thank you so much. Here we go again, baby. About a girl named Namit Yukoyo. Mabigat yung girl, man. Gusto mo na bang marinig? Sigurado ka? At ka na ba? Alright, here we go. Na may namit ako sang girl American resident. Nagkaroon sa Orange County pero dito siya sa brand. Namit ko sa Mimosa, anak ng ambassador. Only girly chika, baby, ang negosyo door to door. Sumanya siya sa card, humingi ng calling card. At ang sabi niya siya daw ay isang Android diehard. So sa likod ng calling card, doon siya nagpa-sign text. Siyempre pirmahan ko rin daw ang kanyang behind. Pinara limousine at ako'y pinabilib. Kinuha calling card at nilagay sa kanyang dibdib. Sabi ko, baby, what's your name? Sabi niya, O-L-I-V-E. Sabi ko, baby, what's your name? Sabi niya, all the way, baby. Come on, see, olive. Ay aking sinabmarin, pero siya'y bitin pa rin. Siya'y bitin pa rin. Gusto niyang lagyan ng margarin para aking lasapin. Aking lasapin. Tinawagan ko 9141 DLWE Magnolia Dasmaten 08 is the place to be. Sa pintuan ako ay nag-isip kung ano ang ma-achieve. Ang mami nasa Germany at ang daddy ay on leave. Ang pusa niya Siberian at ang aso niya pitbull. Tinor niya ko sa bahay sa loob may swimming pool. Ang tindi talaga ng bahay kasi may elevator. At ang sabi niya, Drew, ang pod ay nasa second floor. So sa kwarto pinakita niya koleksyon ng Android song. Pinakita rin koleksyon ng mga tong-tong-tongs. Sabi niya don't like good jokes, ang gusto niya jokes na green. Ayaw niya ng niyayate, gusto sina submarine. Come on, si Olive ay yaking sinubmarine. Pero siya'y bitin pa rin, siya'y bitin pa rin. Gusto niyang lagyan ng margarine para aking lasapin, aking lasapin. Come on, si Olive ay aking sinubmarine. Pero siya'y bitin pa rin, siya'y bitin pa rin. Gusto niyang lagyan ng margarine para aking lasapin, aking lasapin. Sir John Tag, shout out, good afternoon. Thank you po, mega love shout out. Kung nakatikim unang day, unang head, kalimutan ang has, kalimutan ng food, kalimutan na lahat. If you kill my dog, I will kill your cat. Kinagupit ang pusi niya hanggang sa manggigil. Tuloy-tuloy yun, sabi niya, tigil, tigil. Nang makita niya, chorizo, ay nako, kinamay niya. Tapos, lagay ng sauce, sabay, bomba, ano da? Di balik na rin, iyon pa rin. Ang sabi niya, hayop talaga, you're so galing. Gumiti siya sa akin, boy, this is what she said. Di tayo magkakilala, pero parang newlywed. Si Olive ay aking sinubmarine, pero siya'y bitin pa rin, siya'y bitin pa rin. Gusto niyang lagyan ng margarine para aking lasapin, aking lasapin. Come on, si Olive ay aking sinubmarine, pero siya'y bitin pa rin, siya'y bitin pa rin. Gusto niya lagyan ng margarine para aking lasapin, aking lasapin. Thank you Kuya Juntag, shout out ko sa'yo dyan. Siya'y bitin pa rin, ng margarine para aking lasapin, aking lasapin. Shout out, Surgeon Tags. Ayan, sige. Sukan natin yung bahay ni Surgeon Tags, guys. XD, shout out!
Karaoke TV.
Palablab naman po Kuya XD sa binabani ni Surgeon Tags. Pagkatapos kong mag-MC sa Euphoria nung nakaraang Sabado, ako'y nagpunta, alam niyo ba, sa favorite hangout ko, 7-Eleven, Quezon City. Yun doon nakadpad, walang katao-tao doon. Enjoy it pa, so sad na may biglang pumasok sang chick, oh ang ganda. Nakakainis, walang mintis, pati ang kutis niya. Mata niya ay kulay brown, meron siyang brace ang ngipin. Kamukha siya ni Rita Abela kung iisipin. Katawan niya'y 36, 24, 34. Sa panong paraan kaya ako makakascore. Magaling siya umarma, suot niya ay hanging shirt. Nung dumukot siya ng pera, umangat ang kanyang skirt. Kaya ako'y biglang nagsabi, hey girl, I like your style. Siya'y kumagat din, kumindat at nagpakita ng smile. Tinanong niya ko, hey Andrew, Andrew of Euphoria, ano daw? Salamat Sir XD. Shoutout po sa mga nagtusok dyan. Salamat po sa mga padaan, guys. It's been said and done. Every beautiful thought's been already sung. And I guess right now he ran out of one. So your melody will play on and on. And the best of him, you are beautiful, like a dream come alive, incredible. A simple miracle, lyrical. You've saved my life again. And I want you to know, baby, I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. And I keep hitting repeat, 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 repeat. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. And I keep hitting repeat, 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 repeat. Constantly, boy, you play through my mind like a symphony. There's no way to describe what you do to me. You just do to me what you do, and it feels like I'm a rescue. I'm a set free. I am hypnotized by your destiny. You are magical, lyrical, beautiful. You are, and I want you to know, baby, I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. And I keep hitting repeat, repeat, repeat. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. And I keep hitting repeat, repeat, repeat. No one compares, you stand alone to every record I own. Music to my heart, that's what you are. A song that goes and on. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. And I keep hitting repeat, repeat, repeat. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. I love you like a love song, baby. And I keep hitting repeat, 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 repeat.
Ang Coco Crunch Breakfast ay go food na may sustansya ng grow and glow.
Cause I can't sleep without you. No, I don't wanna dream about you. Wish I had my arms wrapped around you. Insomnia, I've been out for 2 days. Dialing all PM ain't working. Losing track of time, baby. Insomnia, my mind is running too fast. The shadows on the wall keep lurking. I wish that you would come back. Insomnia, I keep on hoping to find you, reaching in between the sheets. Maybe it's only been right, now I'm feeling it's more like a week. Losing and turning between the pillow, pulling the corners. I got insomnia. yeah, 'cause I cannot sleep without you. No, I don't want to dream about you. Wish I had my arms wrapped around you. Insomnia, insomnia. Oh, can't sleep without you. No, I don't wanna dream about you. It's insomnia. I can hear your voice now, give me away till the morning. Can you see with the lights on? Insomnia. I keep on hoping to find you, reaching between the sheets. Baby, it's only been the night, I'm feeling like it's been a week. Tossing and turning, flipping the bell, holding the curtain. So I got insomnia. I cannot live without you. No, I don't wanna dream about you. Wish I had my arms wrapped around you. Insomnia, insomnia. Cause I can't sleep without you. No, I don't want to dream about you. Wish I had my arms wrapped around you. Insomnia, insomnia. Thank you so much pero ha sa pag-ano mo dyan, tambay. Nag-iisang fans, avid fans ko to si Sir Paro. I got. Ako nasapian na yata si host, Bicolana. Si Bicolana. Sabi na maglasam na nga ako.
Toys boring quickly? Watch Duck climb stairs with music and
Maybe probably my last song. Party for the night. Bakit parang ang hina ng ano? Like a movie scene in the sweetest dream, I have pictured us together. Now to feel your lips on my fingertips, I have to see it's even better than I ever thought it could possibly be. It's perfect, it's passion, it's setting me free from all of my sadness, the tears that I've cried. I have spent all of my life waiting for tonight. Oh, when you would be here in my arms, waiting for tonight. Oh, I've dreamed of this love for so long, waiting for tonight. Oh, 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 oh. Then the words you say take my breath away. Love me now and let me never. Found a secret place, lost in your embrace. I want to stay in this forever. I think of the days when the sun used to set on my empty heart, all alone in my bed. Tossing and turning, emotions were strong. I knew I had to hold on, waiting for tonight. Oh, when you would be here in my arms, waiting for tonight. Oh, I've dreamed of this love waiting for tonight. Oh, I dream of this love for tonight, waiting for tonight. Oh, when you would be here in my arms, waiting for tonight. Oh, I dream of this love for so long, waiting for tonight. When you would be here in my arms, waiting for we were born far away, so we could both make better distance. Like in a love of foreign man for like a back of your existence. Where we all can be endless solid, could breakfast on your body. Never could imagine there were only in many ways to love somebody. Little, 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 can't you see how much I feel? Whenever, forever, we're meant together. I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's the deal, my dear. You're over, we're under. You never have to wonder. We can always play by ear, but that's the deal, my dear. Lucky that my lips not only member, this cookies is like a bottle, like an embrace and small and handle. So don't confuse them with the manners. Lucky your legs like my mother, and it's the eyes that for no other. The day you live will cry a river, at your feet. How much you feel? Whenever, wherever, we're meant to be together. I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's the deal, my dear. You're over, we're under. You never have to wonder. You can always play by ear, but that's the deal, my dear. Think out loud, say it again. Tell me one more time that you live lost in my eyes. Whenever, wherever, we're meant to be together. I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's the deal, my dear. You're over, we're under. You never have to wonder. You can always play my ear if you really feel the way I feel. You never have to wonder. I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's the deal, my dear. You're over, we're under. You never have to wonder. There's nothing left to fear. I feel
party, we can do what we want. It's our party, we can say what we want. It's our party, we can love what we want. We can kiss what we want, we can shoot what we want. It's our party, we can do what we want. It's our party, we can say what we want. It's our party, we can love what we want. We can kiss what we want, we can shoot what we want.
Break up since everybody's everywhere. Hands in the air like we don't care. Cause we can have so much fun now. But somebody here might get some now. If you're not ready to go home, can I get you? No. Cause we gonna go all night till we see the sunlight. Alright. La-di-da-di, we like to party. Dance with Molly, doing whatever we want. This is our house, this is our rules, and we can't stop, and we won't stop. Get to see it's you on the night. Get to see it's you about that life, and we can't stop, and we won't stop. We run things, things don't run. We don't take nothing from nobody. Yeah, yeah.
It's our party, we can say what we want. It's our party, we can love what we want. We can kiss what we want, we can shoot what we want.
To my homegirls here with the 3 blocks, shaking it like we. Remember, only God can judge ya. Forget the haters, cause somebody loves ya. And everyone lying in the bathroom, trying to get a line in the bathroom. We all alone, turn up here, getting turned up here. Yeah, 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 yeah. So ready, we like to party, dance with Molly, doing whatever we want. This is our house, this is our rules, and we can't stop, and we won't stop. Get to see it here on the night. Get to see his love and life, and we can't stop, and we won't stop. We run things, things don't run. We don't take nothing from nobody. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's our party, we can love what we want. We can kiss what we want, we can shoot what we want.
It's our party, we can do what we want to. It's our house, so we can love who we want to. It's our song, we can sing if we want to. It's my mouth, I can sing what I want to.
And we
Can't stop, and we won't stop. Can't you see it's here on the night?
Can't you see it's me who found that life?
And we can't stop, and we won't stop. We run things, things don't run. We don't take nothing from nobody. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Tired of it.
We got it.